What's up guys, for today's video we're gonna open and set up a basketball hoop. Let's do this. So that, show me that. What is this, the backboard?
Yeah, backboard.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's just only for shooting, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then so we got the backboard, we got...
Can you dunk on this?
Probably. We got a ring. We got a ring here.
Oh, that's a nice looking ring.
Yeah.
Can I attach it?
Yeah.
Open it.
Not yet.
We need, yeah, we need different parts for it.
Yeah, we need some screws. And then I gotta get screwdrivers. We got the pole, adjustable pole.
And then this is the stand.
It's a stand. I think you're gonna. Are you gonna put some sand on it?
I mean,
probably.
Can we just? Where can we put it?
We can put it here.
Here. Yeah. What if I like airball and it just goes flying?
Yeah, just grab it. We'll find a good spot for it. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Okay. And then what is it? The screws.
Probably.
The screws. And... Okay. And then this is the manual.
What's that?
The manual to assemble it.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, we got water there. We put it on that hole. Now it's standing. It's not even a game size hoop.
Yeah.
It's for kids.
It's for little children.
It's okay. I'll get a new one.
I can literally dunk on it.
I'll get a different one then. Hold it, and then I'll put it in water there. I'll buy a bigger one.
All right.
I didn't realize that this one's small. It says 13 to above.
That is not for 13-year-olds.
I know, that's for little kids.
Yeah.
You know what we could do there?
What?
We could just...
Do what?
We could just get a extra tube, and we could just race it.
Okay. Yeah, keep missing. Like, look. There. How do you shoot?
Is it on still?
Yeah. Well, the water's... Wait, why was there water spilling out? Why was there water spilling out?
It was the excess water. Look at me. Oh shit.
Yeah, that backboard's so small. You're a brick, man. Holy shit. No.
Check this out.
Oh!
One more time.
Just got robbed. Here.
Kaboom! Okay. Fuck. I'm not used to so small hoops. Yeah, I'll extend it, or we'll get a bigger one.
Hey, fuck you.
Here, give me one more time.
Yeah, shoot that. What? Nah, cut that. Come on.
What?
Oh my god. Hell no. What? Is that a time lapse? Is that actually
Yeah. Don't fall. No dunking.
I can't. No dunking. Reverse lay. Oh my god.
Look. Here's 30 feet.
Hey. Woo.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh, didn't.
Oh shit. Wait. One more. Damn it.
Yes, sir.
Ah, the backboard's so small.
Wait, it's 30 board.
Oh my god. Sir. Come on.
Yeah, we need a bigger one. That's too small, to be honest. And then we need to move it a little bit backwards.
Hey, y'all doing your thing.
You dunk it? Hey, look. Backwards.
That's it.
There we go.
Now look at this. Look at this. Oh. Oh. Yes, sir.
Kobe!
No.
Kobe!
Lob. No, you got it. That was an alley-oop.
Okay, time lapse.
This is an alley-oop.
Wait.